Busch Light. Coors Light. Miller Lite. Guess Ultra.
Bud Light. Coors Light. Ultra. Miller Lite. I don't know what I didn't guess. Busch Light.
Michelob. Bud Light. Busch. Coors.
Miller Lite. Busch Light.
They all taste the same.
Bud Light. Ultra.
And then
I haven't seen a Busch Light yet.
it's got the Busch Light. I
That's Busch Light then. Miller. We'll go Coors Light on that one. Bud Light. What do I have left? Ultra? That Ultra? We'll go with that. Ooh, we'll go Miller. Bud Light.
Busch Light?
I know it's not Ultra, but I'm. Yes. That's not Coors Light, but that was my last guess. So.
That's Busch. I guess. Miller? Michelob? No. No, it's not Bud Light.
Busch Light. Miller Light. Coors Light. Ultra. Whichever one I haven't guessed. Bud Light.
That's why you are a Wi-Fi.
Busch. Coors. Bud. Michelob.
Bring it back. Coors Light.
Okay.
That one's gotta be Miller Lite.
Bud Light.
Skipped one.
I did.
Yep, one.
That one's Busch Light. Which one I have not said? That one's Big Ultra.